Good morning, third graders. It is April 9th. It is Wednesday. We have a science test today over chapter 12. Okay, so I'm going to read over it. It says, fill in the circle next to the correct answers. Then on 7 through 12, write a capital V if the action described is voluntary. Write I if the action described is involuntary, capital I. And then for 13 through 17, read each set of statements and then circle the one that's true. If you wanted to circle A or B if it's true instead of circling the whole statement, you can do that. All right, I hope you do awesome on that. You can use your book for this one. Hope you do well on that. We're going to move into language, and we're going to talk about something new that we haven't talked about before, not even in second grade. Okay, so if I show you my tape, and I got a glue stick here, and I've had staples and regular glue, what do we use these for? Okay, we usually use them for putting things together, joining things together, or putting things together. Well, I'm going to read a couple sentences, and we have some things missing. Nathan enjoys baseball, basketball. Would you ask Mom, Dad for the key? When I saw that spider in the bedroom, I yelled, jumped. Okay, we have some things that are missing here that would help join our words. We might need to join baseball and basketball. Nathan enjoys baseball and basketball. Would you ask Mom and Dad for the key? Would you ask Mom or Dad for the key? Or Mom and Dad for the key? And then when I saw that spider in the bedroom, I yelled, jumped. That does not make sense. We would need the word and in there. I yelled and jumped. When we use words like and, or but, they are called conjunctions. Conjunctions help join things in a sentence, and it helps things make more sense. Because when I say I saw a spider in the bedroom, I yelled jumped. Not sure what yelled jumped is, so we need that word and in there to help us separate it, or help separate those two words and join our words together. So conjunction is on page 162. It reminds us is a word that's used to join words or group of words in a sentence. And they are and, but, and or. Bananas and oranges are fruits. The nervous lion paced and growled. My baby sister cries or yawns when she's tired. I rake the yard, but more leaves fell. So think A, you're going to circle the conjunction in each sentence. So you're just looking for and, but, and or. Think B, you're going to choose the best conjunction from the box to complete the sentence. You're going to use and, but, or in there. And yes, they can be used more than once. They will definitely be used more than once because those are your only three choices. All right, that is language for the day. Moving into math, we're also going to be doing something new there today. Have you ever wondered why on your report card there's only one grade? There's only one number and then the letter grade. But you've taken a lot of math tests, language tests, spelling tests. They're not all on there. You just have one number. So what happens is the one grade on your report card is the average of how you're doing in math and spelling and language and history. So if you heard someone say that the average temperature in April is 63 degrees Fahrenheit, that doesn't mean that every day in April is going to be 63 degrees. It just means the average temperature with all the temperatures added together and then divided, that's the average temperature. So finding the average is finding the middle value of a group of numbers. Okay, so we're going to use the 1A and B on the board as our examples, so you can watch me and then you'll be able to fill it in on your paper. All right, so it says the average is the middle value of a group number. So first we're going to do step one. We're going to add. So we need to add in a plus sign and an equal sign. So I'm going to add my three numbers. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 9, carry the 1. 1 and 7, 8. Plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 189. Okay, now I'm going to take my 189 and put it inside the box. And then I have 1, 2, 3 numbers. That's the number I'm going to divide it by, the numbers that I added together. So I'm going to take 3 into 18. 3 goes into 18 6 times. Subtract. Just 0, 9. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract, I'm done. I circle my answer. That is how you answer those. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, I'm going to add my plus sign, and I already got my equal sign up here. So I'm going to do 1 plus 9 is 10, carry. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10, carry. 1 and 9 is 10. 10 plus 6 is... Okay, so I'm going to take that number, and I'm going to put it in my box. And then how many numbers did we add? 1, 2. So I divide like that. 2 goes into 16 8 times. That's 16, subtract, bring your 0 down. 2 goes into 0 1 time. 0, bring your 0 down. 2 goes into 0 0 times. So my answer, I'm going to circle, is 800. So I circled the answer, the quotient, up above my division problem to do those. Okay, so I hope you understood those. If you need to pause and look at it again. On number 2, it says answer these questions. Could 28 be the average of 36 and 49? Is 28 between 36 and 48? Or 49, sorry. No, it's not. 28 comes before 36, so it can't be in the middle. Could 84 be the average of 35 and 49? No, because 84 comes way after 49, because the average is the middle value of a group of numbers. Okay? On number 3 on the story problem, Ethan's spelling grades are 93, 80, and 91. Watch the average grade. You're going to write those, line them up, add them, and then you're going to do the division part, and the answer of the division will be what your average is. Okay, you're going to use temperatures on B in your story problem to add them up, divide by the answer, how many ever numbers you have, and then whatever answer you get with dividing, that's going to be your answer. On the back, number 4 says divide and check. 5 greater, less than, or equal in the blanks. Number 6, show how much change was received. Number 7, round to the nearest dollar. 8, follow your signs. You got a brain booster, see if you can do that. And then homework, you just do number 2. Divide and write the net remainders as fractions, okay? I hope you understand the averaging numbers. You'll review on it again tomorrow. And if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great Wednesday.